Let's go. We live. Alright, so now I gotta check. Oh, wait. I don't even have it. Hold on. Time to check my quality. Mike, Mike. Mike, Mike. I cannot hear anything in this video right now. Oh, wait. That means you guys can't hear it either. Interesting. Well, I can't hear my own video at all. So, oh, and even if I could, that would mean you guys could, because I'm playing it from the same computer, and both my phones are dead, so I guess I'll just have to eyeball it. Hopefully I'm not eating my mic, but I don't know. So, let's resume. Back into this little piece of shit. It's not a piece of shit. Come on. Doo-doo. 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 Bow. Doo. Doo-doo. I was wondering, this bottom menu, what does it even mean? What is that number? Like, multi 3? Inserting not? What is it not? No clue. Come on. Sometimes this year. Ah, there it is. Come on. Alright. So, what was I doing last episode? I did this suite. I did this loft. Oh. Oh yeah. I was supposed to come in to the background and set up import. But I forgot. So, just for right now, you won't be able to see the pictures, but in the next one, you should be able to. Let's see here. I mean, unless I can just drag drop, that would be cool. Did that work? Look at that. Perfect. Let's spin that back. Oh wait. Oh, I can do it like this? Oh. Okay. Well, what I just did is I went into my File Explorer, I believe it's called. Yeah, it's called File Explorer. And just dragged and dropped. That's how I got this in there. But yeah, this is the front of the vehicle. It's from the Curto, if you did not know. So that's what we wanted to look like at the front. So in order to get that, I'm gonna have to design something that curves up. Obviously this image is not to scale. That's why it is so huge. So far, I'd say, no, from here to here. So calibrate from here to here. I want it to be, I think it's 225 millimeters. Oh, and now I can calibrate this way. I think that's good. Cause isn't this? Oh, that's like 100. Either way, these two entities are not going to be connected into one because I still need a way to put all this stuff in here. And if I make this all one part, I mean, it could still go in after, so it shouldn't be too much of a problem to have that as one part. Anyway, to make this has to move up. It's not relative to this, but I think it's relative to whatever plane you put it in. Not this. Not this again, bro. Are we serious? They're trying to get me copywritten so bad. Hold on. Start radio. We're not listening to that choice. I don't want to listen to that. I'll listen to this though. In a heartbeat. Alright. So. Oh. Hold on. Let's make it a little more transparent. As you can see, the problem is if I were to do this and then that's pretty much where the car should be. It would need to be way higher than it currently is. That's already 141. I'm looking at the number. Alright. But what is that even attached to? Alright, if I were to bring that up to match, where would it be then? Also, I can change everything into a body so I can actually have proper measurements. Not this garbage. Hold on, so if you look at this, this is a body. Okay, apparently that's a body too, but ignore that one. So we have this body. Oh, I didn't even finish changing this over. Oh, we're in for something. But to illustrate what I was just talking about earlier. Okay, can't use that body either. Two, nope, three, yeah, three. Darn it. Well, I don't really have any good bodies to display what I'm talking about. But let's see if I can do it anyway. Part design, let's go into measure angular, I believe it was. Let's say that. And I want to catch this edge. Did it work? Why am I not seeing anything? Alright, it failed. But that's not supposed to happen. Let's try that again. First one. Let's get a point. From this line to this line. See how much better that is? So toggle, well, I mean, yeah, I guess I'm not even sure how it got like that, but I think you get what I mean. Let's clear this. Are we serious, dog? Alright. So, granted, this should be higher. I did that by right clicking and then transform. Doesn't work, probably because I'm not even in the task. Let's transform. Let's bring it up here. Now, if I go through the painstaking process of turning this into a solid, which I'll do right now. So instead of the image workbench, now you can just copy paste, scale left to right, up to down. And once you do that, then you'll have a scaled image that you can use as reference. Now I gotta wait for this to load. Loading. Actually, you know what I can do while I wait? Adjust my playlist. Because the amount of Jujutsu Kaisen songs they're trying to put in my playlist is insane. No shot. No shot. Please stop. You gotta be kidding me. Let's see if it's done. It is done. Nice. Alright. So, from there, alright, let's hop in here. Let's finish bringing this to be a normal shape. Alright, so it is... What is this? Is this a solid? Selectable shape. Pretty sure that means that it is a solid. So let's go here. Oh wait, no, it's just a shape. You sure about that? I mean, it looks like a solid to me. Alright, now it's a solid. Delete this one. I have this. Let me turn off the selectability of this because I'm tired of clicking on it. False. Alright. Now when I press this, nothing happens. It's like it's invisible. Alright, and now I come here, and I go to parts. It's already a solid. Now I could refine the shape to get rid of all these. I don't really need to though. So what I'll do now, counterpart design, with it selected, turn it into a body. Let's see if it breaks. Oh, it did. Nice. Alright. Now this is a body, so. Alright. What the hell is this? This is a shape. Data says. No, it's a mesh. Oh, that's probably why it looks so smooth. Alright, so meshes out the picture. We just have this, which is a body. Now, if we come here, measure from this point right here. Come on, get the point. From here. Don't break. Stay alive. Stay alive. Come on. There we go. Oh my goodness. I don't think it'll work because it's. I'm doing a line to a point. That's not how that's gonna work. Oh, what the hell? Yeah, no, it's showing me the angle. Oh man. Why? And why is that pointing there? Alright, so I need something to click on that isn't just this curve. Dim at all. I literally cannot. Alright, so I guess I do need to refine the shape then, okay? I will refine the shape. It's up in here, switch over, no. Switch over to part. Select this part. Let's refine the shape. So it's smoother. Because right now, it's terrible. Oh, it actually finished loading decently fast. As you can see, now that it's refined, there's not a bunch of slashes through it. This is it. I just made the other one invisible. This is it. Alright. Now I can select the point. Great. So let's do this. Maybe I can't select a point. Come on, I swear I was just on a point. Yeah, there's a point. Ooh, whoa. Alright, I believe it's FV, right? Oh no, I think I might be lagging. Yeah, I definitely broke something. Oh wait, maybe not. How do I zoom back in? How do I zoom back in? press, there we go, into VF. Alright, that's selection 1. Oh, that didn't count. Dog, what the hell does that even mean? Alright, let's measure linear distance. Nice. Yeah, that's what I should have done. Just measure the damn linear distance. Oh my goodness. Why was I doing the other one? Anyway, that's what I was talking about. Let's go to view 1. Now you can see that it is 159 millimeters up to match that, which is not too bad. And from 3, the front view, it does look like an aggressive kick up. When you look at this, you have this and then a pretty aggressive kick up though. But I don't know if it's that aggressive. That's kind of crazy. Anyway, showing you how to use the image workbench in this video. It's not even a workbench anymore, it's just insert. Close, yeah. That makes it easier to it's way better. Like, look at all these lines right here. You're like, what the heck is that? Is that a weird angle? It's like, let me get rid of them. They can work, but they're just a means to an end. You don't want to, at least in my opinion, you do not want to be relying on these. The other ones are way better. If you're dealing with something finicky on the fly and you don't want to deal with it right then and there, doesn't hurt to have them. But personally, not a fan of how they look or how they work. There they are. Boom, boom. Yeah, look how much more neat this project looks now. Like, come on. Not only that, with these, if I change the distance, transform it higher up, and I press OK, and I press this, it adjusts. It actually changes to match the real distance. Those other ones are not doing that. So, better way to measure, by far. Alright, so is that how high I want this thing to go? I mean, that's crazy high. Based off of this picture, what can I gauge about this size relative to this size? I'd say looks like you can fit, if you turn this sideways and put it on top of here, that would be the distance. So that would be me doing this and putting this up here. Oh my goodness. Give me a break. Alright, back in the FreeCAD. So, considering I have my center point, the picture is here. I could... This is going to be a part of its own piece. This is going to be one piece in and of itself. Piece that goes over it should probably be a different piece. That just will slip right on. And yeah. Damn, I'm tired. Alright, so close that. Close that. Close that. Close that. Alright. So, with that said, what else can I do right now? Well, I can give these a proper finish so that the top piece can click in or sit on it. So, make the front view disappear. Let's press 2. So we're hovering over. I don't know. How am I gonna make this? Well, if it's like this, right? I can make the other piece groove so that it slides over. Only problem is this is anything but straight, so that's probably not a good idea. What else could I do? What else could I do? Not sure for right now. Maybe I'll focus on this part right now, since I'm already right here. So, give it. Oh, okay, I get it. So, if you scroll up, you'll zoom in. But if you click in, am I like partially scrolling the wheel when I click in? I don't feel like I am. It might just be a glitch. I mean, my mouse being finicky. That makes it do that. So, this is the sweep. This is the sketch for it. Alright. I don't know why the sketch looks like this, but it does. Okay, so this is currently that. Oh, another thing. If I can get this in. So let's do that. Now you can see that's there. If I can bring in the geometry, come on. Alright, what I'll do instead is make it partially go. I might have to change the angle on this to allow it to just slightly go into this so that I can fuse it. It would be nice if I could use this as a body, pull in the external geometry, which is what this thing does. Create external geometry, creates an edge linked to a external geometry, which would create this bar right here to represent this line, and then I'd be able to sketch right off of it. Let's see here. First off, if I want something that's gonna sit on top of this, I probably want to give it a, like if I want to pick it up, put it down and be like smooth, I probably want to give it like a chamfer kind of thing. Let's wait till, well, looks like I have time to edit my playlist. Man. Of all all the possible ones, that's what they give me. The music is so random in every stream. Oh man. Started off with the Tekken stuff, and now it's just whatever. Can't even hear anything. I think I'm gonna do Solitude first. There we go. And with that, it's finished loading. Probably about time to wrap up this video anyway. These are the elements. These are the constraints. This is the parallel constraint. Let's get rid of that. Yep. Now you can go like that. That looks pretty solid to me. Let's close. Get it from the top. Extremely difficult to see from the top. But from right here, not what I wanted to do. Why does it do that? I need to get better with navigation in FreeCAD. Because I press in the key because I want to do this. I mean the mouse pad. Wheel to do that. But every time I do it, maybe it does that for a second. Also, I can go like this. So when I click in the mouse pad and then I press on the right side, I get that, which allows me to go, you know, spin around using that original point as like a center point. Right? And then if I press it again and like go quickly, I get this, which lets me zoom in and out very quickly. So yep, finally know how to use that. Oh, it's actually the same on both sides. So if you left click, it'll do the same thing. But to get the zoom in and out, you just have to click it in quickly. To get this, you have to hold. Alright. Yeah, it looks like it could support the next piece. It's really sad that I cannot bring this in. It's kind of this view. There's a space in between. I mean, in theory, right? At least in my theory, I might be wrong. But if I match this up, then it should fuse it the whole way. So I'm gonna edit the sketch one more time. Open the sweep, edit sketch. Alright. Hit shift to the left. Why can I not bring this over? Because this line is probably constrained to be straight, maybe? There's no more parallel constraints. Oh, there's an angular constraint. Let me get rid of that. I don't think there's a limiter on. What is holding this? 0 at. Nope. There is no vertical constraint, so why is this one resisting? You have this constraint, which is keeping this point right here. The hell's keeping this here? Oh, this. Right here. Okay, so what I can do here is change this to reference geometry so that I can adjust it like this. And then come back here on the same, change it back into regular geometry. And I want to make this line shorter. Okay. It still might be messed up, but let's see. Is it terrible? No, but I kind of want it to actually be proper because it may not be on the verge of breaking, but how about now? Now we have entities that don't like how they're Alright, so what I can probably do, edit the sketch one more time. Don't know why it's set like that. Instead of coming in so roughly like that, alright, curve it here. This is why having the exact spot of this would have been so helpful. Change this back into reference. This must have some kind of vertical constraint on it, because I mean horizontal. No, I mean vertical, I was right. But I don't see any. So why is it straight? What the hell? That's constrained, that's constrained. I don't see the constraint to keep it vertical here. The constraint here is a horizontal constraint on a line I can't even see. Let's get rid of that. Oh, is that because it's sideways? So it really was a vertical, but it didn't even display it. It should have been like this, right? What the hell just happened? Alright, let's just go back. Let's close. Alright. As far as allowing the top to connect, that's pretty decent. So that it just sits down there and it's chilling. Wonder where I'll put like the screws to keep it in place. Some kind of something to keep it in place. Not sure yet. No. that was to put this across the wisely plane, right? No, it's not the wisely plane. One solid across the XZ. There you go. You can see how quickly it's coming together. Yep. Alright, time for me to call it a day. As you can see, this is ready to go. This is almost ready to go. I have to fix some of the thicknesses on this. And for now, I really don't need that mirror. I mean, I guess it lets me know where I'm at in the plane, but don't really need it. Now tomorrow I'm either gonna refine this or work on down here to allow it to connect down. Alright, let's save it. Alright, that I'm gonna call it a good night. A good night. Some lower. Damn, I'm tired. Come on. Finish loading. There it is. Alright, with that, here's to stream episode 7. I'm outie. Goodbye. Hopefully it doesn't get copyrighted for the determination to put copyrighted music in there. Alright then.